as we believe that FemTrip, it has to have an experience, not just looking slides. We decided that this virtual FemTrip of Destination Bled and Bohinj will not be a typical webinar, because probably you are fed up with webinars like we are.
Yes, true.
Showing beautiful slides and make you want to go there, but you cannot. So we decided, let's do something differently, and we all hope you will enjoy today's experience.
Okay, yes.
It will not last more than 45 minutes, of course.
Uh-huh.
We also included some nice prizes from our host destination, so you will be able to win some attractive prizes.
Hopefully we can meet next year.
Yes, let's not say hopefully, definitely.
Well, yeah, exactly. Let's remain positive.
I just received an email a few minutes ago that Slovenia won one bid for one international association congress. Even in these difficult times where you just get sad news on the news, but our industry is resilient. We say fighters, and we believe in success. So our destiny.
Well, yeah, that's we have to remain. We keep up and remain confident.
Hello, Daniel. Welcome to Slovenia. Great to see you.
Thank you. Come from France.
Wow, fantastic. Today we will bring you to a destination where you see some snow or a lot of snow, and we even have sunny weather today, so perfect conditions for being active outdoor, as my colleagues are, as you can see. We will wait 2 minutes more, just because we have application from 16. You are now, I think, like 5, 6, and we would love to have more, of course. I would also like to welcome Saito, if it's correct. You are welcome to show yourself or make a comment in the chat box, of course. But if you prefer to stay hidden, you can do that as well, of course. We are just to inform you, we are going to record this virtual FemTrip, because usually not all participants can join as they wish. So they always say, can you, we did a couple of times not record, and then they wrote us, oh, please send us back. Please send us back. And we didn't have the recording. So we are recording, and we will send them just that they see what they have missed, and they can connect. Also, welcome to Ludovica. Welcome to the virtual FemTrip of Destination Bled and Bohinj. We connected just a few days ago when we presented Slovenia through a webinar to the Italian market, and now we are going to experience the Destination Bled and Bohinj a bit differently, and we all hope you will like it, because in the presentation you have been at Conventa in January, so you know that Slovenia is a winter destination. Today you will see that even more, and we are happy that you are joining today.
Good.
Whoever wants to say some welcome words, please do that.
I can begin maybe if you want.
I said we will wait 1 minute more, so please use that minute and share. No, please share some of your thoughts to the team, so to warm up our meeting.
I have one question.
Oh, fantastic!
Is it possible? Do you know the rule for the COVID in your country from France, or maybe from England, maybe for all European community? It's possible to come easily.
Of course, because of the COVID situation, we have quite a high number of infection at this moment. When the first wave, we were really one of the safest. We have one of the lowest numbers in Europe, but now we are exactly on the other side. So one of the highest infection per 100,000 inhabitants. So we are a red country in a way, like Germany is, or Croatia. So it's at this moment, it's not possible. Of course, you need to have this confirmation that you are not infected, but
the PCR test maybe, yeah.
But more at this, like half of the country is now locked down, half locked down. So I would not advise you to travel because bars, restaurants,
Are
attractions,
closed.
everything is closed. So
Okay.
it's not the most pleasant time of the year. Despite this time, it's beautiful because of the Christmas period. We have great Christmas markets, but this year everything is different. So I would suggest to postpone for a couple of months if you are interested to come in this time. Unfortunately, it's sad news to say, but it's a reality, and we all hope that the vaccine that is coming out in the next days and the whole Europe will be vaccinated, also Slovenia. I think this is a great deal that European did a joint purchase so that all countries will get the vaccine and that we start to get back to business, if we can say like this.
Okay. And for myself, is it possible maybe to come in January or February for discover your mountaineer? Can you arrange something for myself and for discover myself and to inform my customer on the future?
Yes. I would definitely Conventa is always in January, and it's perfect time because you can have a snowy condition, and Slovenia is beautiful in a snowy condition, but half of the country is also, one part is even Mediterranean, so you will have sun and 10-15 degrees at the same time, so like snow in the mountains, and in Ljubljana you can have both. So from that point of view, it's perfect time to come in January, but because of the COVID, I would advise maybe not, because first,
I know
there is a lot of snow in the mountains, trekking is not the most safe one, and as everything is closed, the hotels, the cottages, I would not do it. So I would rather wait that this period is over, and then rather come maybe in spring, when we all hope that the numbers go down, and that we can normal experience the country, because we are outdoor people. We like to go in the mountains, trekking, walking around Lake Bled and Bohinj that you will see. So this is our way of life as well. But also now we are not doing it because of all these limitations.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. I suggest we start. We have a great numbers of participants, and others might come, which is great because it's open. Allow me first to welcome all who registered and showed interest to participate at the virtual fam trip to Bled and Bohinj. Originally, we organize this fam trip every year, where we also include Kranjska Gora, and we invite a group of 10 people to come over the weekend to Slovenia to experience those Alpine destinations in autumn time, which is also beautiful because autumn colors in the nature, as you know, it's really amazing. But the corona prevailed that, so we had a lot of participants. We did everything, but at the end we had to postpone. At the end we realized, oh, this will not be. But on the other side, we believe it's important to stay connected, and we say, okay, if it's not possible live, we will do it virtual or online. But we don't want to do another webinar because we are all fed up with webinars. We say, let's do something more interactive. So first, the first idea was our partners, the partners,
we are all fed up with webinars. Tak si říkám, mě už taky leze.
I just switched off her microphone so that she doesn't disturb. I apologize, Marcela, that I did that. Again, my colleagues from destination, as you can see them in the back, they are enjoying outdoor. They will welcome you in a minute. But again, great that you are all connected with us today. So first, I will hand over to my colleagues in the destination. They say a few welcome words, introduce themselves. Later, we will have a short 15 minutes video, which is not a typical video, and I'm sure you will like it. You will enjoy it, to tell you more about the destination, about our major partners, of course. And then we go back live and tell you more about where they are, what they are doing there. Of course, we always want to make the whole experience even more attractive. So you will get some great questions. There will be 3 quiz questions, and if you are lucky, you will win amazing prizes from our colleagues. And of course, we have again time for Q&As, because I'm sure you will have lots of questions. And then before we say goodbye, we all want to make you hungry to come to Slovenia. And of course, will tell you more about the Conventa that we do organize every year. Some of you have already been there, but next year there will be some new novelties to share. So now I'm handing over to my colleagues in the destination, and first I will allow to introduce Maya from the destination Bled. Maya, please.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Welcome from sunny Pokljuka. This is our winter fairy tale, our winter playground. We love to come here. It's right between Bohinj and Bled, and we love to come here for snow, for hiking, for cross-country skiing, sledding, skiing. It's awesome. And we're really happy to bring some nice images of sunny weather to you. So my name is Maya Panchur. I am representative of Bled Convention Bureau. And if you have any questions regarding meetings, incentives, and so on in the area, I would love to help you. Now I'm passing the word to Natasha from Bohinj.
Hi, everyone, and thank you for joining us. We are so excited that we can be with you today on this beautiful sunny day. I am Natasha Andlovets, and I am representing two beautiful hotels only half an hour away from here in sustainable destination. Two beautiful sustainable hotels, perfect for conferences, and the second one is perfect for digital detox. So come and join us. So I'm switching the voice to Spela.
Hello, everyone from very sunny, snowy Pokljuka. I'm really happy to be here with you in this way today. I'm coming from Bled, from Sava Hotels and Resorts. We have 6 hotels in Bled, and you are really very welcome to come. So I'm passing my word now to another Natasha.
Hello, my name is Natasha as well, and you could think that all Slovenian ladies are Natashas. I'm coming from new designer Bled Rose Hotel. Check it, you will definitely like it, and welcome to Slovenia as soon as possible, and have a great trip.
Great, thank you for the short introduction. Now, before we go to see this 15 minutes video, I will kindly ask you to have microphones switched off so that you can properly hear, because in case there are too many microphones on, then there is interference. And I said in the beginning, we are recording this for those that could not participate with us live. So enjoy these 15 minutes of really fantastic experience that we did this summer just for you.
It's great to see you again.
Great to see you. Bled, you work in such a marvelous place. Tell me more about it.
It is, isn't it? It's beautiful scenery that is topped with special energy that you get to feel with all 4 seasons, all types of weathers, makes it a really unique place to live.
I can imagine.
Yeah. And locals, we're really proud of the rich history as well as all the beautiful nature that surrounds us. This is why we are such a enthusiastic outdoor people.
Okay.
So are you an outdoors person?
Yes,
Mika?
I am. I need the nature. And what about you?
Me too. I just love the sports. I also love to relax outside. So what we have here is with the business sector, I would say that it's really good that you can combine this outdoor living with team building activities and also add some sustainability in it. We have a special, unique brand with local services and products called Bled Local Selection, which really combines everything together, our soul and our lifestyle and scenery. I'm here with our partner, Barbara from Compass DMC, who is organizing incentives and events throughout Slovenia. So Barbara, I would ask you to tell us a few things you can organize in Bled.
Thank you, Maya. I'm always so happy to come to Bled because it's so nice and lovely. And today we have lovely weather. So thank you. And yes, we are organizing incentives and events all over Slovenia, also in the coast, in Ljubljana, in caves. And we never miss Bled, of course, in the Slovenian Alps. And to tell you what we do here with our clients, because they always come for some experiences. If we start here at the castle, there is so much to do already here. The clients can visit the castle forge, they can visit the winery, the printing house. This is medieval printing house, and they can see how they used to print in medieval ages. We can do here animation, performance, medieval performance, and also a gala dinner, whether in a restaurant or here in a lovely courtyard. And then if we move to the other side, or to Bled, we see the lovely Bled Island, which, by the way, of course, you know, this is the only island in Slovenia. And we can organize weddings there. We can have a private concert in the church, which is really a superb experience. We can also have a tasting of the traditional Slovenian cake and, of course, the tasting. And then if we move to the sports, we can go, of course, we have so many lovely mountains around, so we can organize hiking, cycling. We can go up to the Straža Hill on the other side, and we can do their adventure park. We can do the summer sledging. And we do also Vintgar Gorge. We walk through the Vintgar Gorge for an hour walk. There is also a zip line, a 4-kilometer long zip line, and a rafting very close to Bled. And at last but not the least, we have rowing. There is a tremendous experience in the team building. This is a rowing with the Olympians, two men who won many medals also at the Olympic Games. And today they organize team buildings with rowing on the Bled Lake.
But before we go, let's try the traditional Bled cream cake.
Eva, you're presenting this special story called Villa Bled. It's very historic. Please tell me more about it.
Villa Bled is a small historical boutique 4-star hotel which was built in the mid-50s of the 20th century. It used to be the former Yugoslavian president's summer residence, so many famous people from all around the world stay here. It's located on the lake shore and has a private park, beach, and the boathouse. Behind the villa, there is a cafe called Belvedere, which has probably the most beautiful view of the lake, island, and the surrounding mountains. What we most like is to spoil our guests with the great local cuisine, and more about it will explain our chef, Gregor Osman.
Villa Bled's menu based on the Slovenian traditional cuisine with a little modern twist. We use only fresh local ingredients, hand with local suppliers. I believe this is the key to great culinary experience.
You are born in Bled, and Sava is your first employer. Why are you so enthusiastic about Bled?
Yes, it's true, Miha. I was born here. This is my hometown. I love it. I've worked in Sava Hotels since the beginning of my career. I really like the diversity that I can offer to my clients when working here for Sava Hotels. Not only hotel accommodations, we have special venues that we can include into the programs. We have terraces by the lake, elegant lounges and banquet rooms, modern meeting space, a glamping village on the other side of the lake that's great for outdoor events. The natural and cultural heritage of this region is something that we value very much. We want our guests to feel it when they stay with us. So in our hotels, we revive local traditions and focus on sustainability. We have 4 main hotels here in Bled. So every one of them is really different, tells its own story. Our most important 2, Rikli Balance Hotel and Hotel Park. These are our new stars, actually, which have really beautiful stories to tell. So with all the recent renovations that we've done in the past 2 years, we have strongly implemented natural and cultural heritage when designing the new interior. Slovenia is covered with woods, and spruce wood is really typical for this region. So we have used a lot of spruce wood in our hotels, and we have actually used a lot of crafts and arts that are typical locally, and we have carved the details of these crafts into this wood. For example, beekeeping is one of the things that it's really common in the area. So we have a lot of honey and bee elements around the hotel. We named and dedicated the hotel to Arnold Rikli. He was a really important person for this destination in the 19th century. He came from Switzerland. He was very ill because he worked in the chemistry industry producing colors. So he found the place here to heal himself.
And Karin, you're presenting a new story in Bled, Bled Rose. It's a beautiful name.
Well, the story about the Rose Hotel in Bled is actually, we have everywhere is the rose. So we are connected. Our garden is connected to the garden in Bled. Bled Rose Hotel is recently renovated, and it's located almost in the city center of Bled. From the lake shore, there is just one park in between. And if you just step on our terrace, you can see how well we connected our park with the park from Bled. We are called the Rose, so you can get anything from roses. You can even count roses when you visit our hotel. So from our signature ice cream with roses, you can find a rose spa, rose everything. Why we are so different than the other hotels? You can get everything here. The location, the energy points, and actually everything you can get in one place. We're not a big hotel, but you can get the boutique service and everything else. One firm came here to take a look and take a tour through the hotel. When they've seen the whole hotel, they were just impressed about everything. When they've seen our VIP spas, they just said, okay, we'll just hire the whole hotel and we'll even sleep in VIP spas, not in hotels nearby. Of course, there was not an option because you can sleep in VIP spa, but still, when you come here, you can just fall in love with our place. We wish to see you in Bled.
From Bled deeper into the nature, we are on the edge of Triglav National Park. We are now in charming Alpine village Bohinska Bistrica with Miss Natasha representing 2 hotels. Hi, Natasha.
Hello, yes, I am representing 2 beautiful hotels located in between 2 totally different lakes, Lake Bled and Lake Bohinj. We are in the nature, deeper in the nature, as you said, on the edge of Triglav National Park. And this is why we decided to go with a sustainable theme. So the impact on the environment is really important for us. So we have 2 different hotels, one larger, which we opened 10 years ago. It's called Bokeh Hotel. And the other one, Sunrose 7, where we are right now. And we opened that last year.
And with this new story, you have a special theme, digital detox?
Yes, Sunrose 7 is definitely something special. In nowadays that we are bombed by all the data, we have mobile phones with us all the time, we decided to do something different. So digital detox is the theme here. So you will not see any televisions, any mobile phones here. And we encourage our guests to be either outdoors, be active, or if they want to stay indoors, they can read a book.
Hi, my name is Grega and I welcome you here in Bohinj Valley. There isn't a place called Bohinj. Bohinj is the whole valley and there's 24 different villages inside. And today on this cycling trip, we will be exploring the lower and the upper valley and of course the area of the Bohinj Lake, which is the largest permanent lake in Slovenia. If you're ready, I suggest that we hit the road and start exploring. Alpine dairy farming and cheese making has a long tradition in Bohinj Valley, and the Bohinj cheese is known worldwide. And for the past 150 years, people have been making cheese here in the villages. We are currently in a village called Tudor at the farm called Perodolniku, and here is Mateusz, who will explain us how the traditional Bohinj cheese is done. Živijo, Mateusz.
Živijo, welcome to our farm. We will today make the cheese traditionally, like the Bohinj cheese is made here in this area for about 150 years. And today we will make the cheese just like in the mountains.
We arrived now by bikes to the lovely Bohinj Lake, surrounded by high mountains. And here we will see what else we can do in this area. So you can see behind me, kayaking, canoeing is a big thing around here. Also stand-up paddling on the lake and rafting behind me on the river. You can also do the rock climbing, even caving, and also do the Bohinj flyer. This is a simulation of the ski jump. We can also organize the trip, picking the the herbs in this area and learn more about edible flowers and then preparing a picnic, for example. And the last but not least, there is also a steam train that takes you from this region under the High Mountains all the way to the Primorska region, still in Slovenia, in other climate zone.
I hope that on today's journey, we and you have experienced a little bit of this valley, and I would definitely recommend that whenever you come to Slovenia, you come and experience it on your own.
So I'm back. I hope you enjoyed this 15 minutes of active journey in destination Bled and Bohinj. I'm sure you got hungry when you were seeing how we were making potica. It's not that easy as it looks. So that's why if you decide to come over, we will of course get you the right professionals, as you have seen, and with a great help, you can make a fantastic own potica, of course, also as a team building or as an incentive, or individual, of course. As you have seen, we have recorded this video in June, end of June this year, because we could not invite people live, so we sent Slovenia out, and this was the video from the destination Bled and Bohinj. We also did a video of Ljubljana and Portorož, but today we are in the Alpine part. Now I am now handing back to my colleagues on the mountain. I heard it's very sunny and warm, so please, Maya, I'm handing the microphone to you, please.
Thank you, Micha. So we're switching from the beautiful summer weather, as you could see, to beautiful sunny winter. And we can now show you what we do in winter here, what types of incentives you can do in the area of Bled and Bohinj in winter. We are, as you can see in the back, this is the venue of Biathlon World Cup. Pokljuka is going to host World Championships. And we are really happy that this incentive program will be shown by the head of the competition, Mr. Matej Kordesh, so biathlon shooting. Matej?
Hello to all. It's really a pleasure to introduce our venue. As Maya mentioned already, we are annual organizer of World Cup, and in this winter or next year in February we are hosting World Championships. You can see in behind of me that we have a lot of teams and also athletes who are training here at this moment. But Pokljuka venue is not just for training, it's also great for fun. And in our sports center, you can rent skis, whole equipment for skiing, so skis, shoes, poles, and so on. And special offer which we have, it's biathlon shooting in this shooting range. At this moment, because of situation which is in the whole world, is that not possible, but when situation will be again normal, will be possible again to shoot with our experts. And this is really one experience which gives you a lot of fun, and we can also organize for you team competition if you have companies or whatever, and I can promise you that all of them will enjoy in our competitions.
So we will not be cross-country skiing today, but maybe Matej, you can show us how to use this gun to shoot, just to give them a short presentation of how it looks like.
Okay, you know that it's impossible to shoot at this moment just professionals can. I will just show you. But Maya, we need to go a little bit forward. That we will be on the shooting line. Otherwise, I will aim to our grooming machine.
Okay.
So I don't want to interrupt our athletes, but we have normal small bore rifle produced for biathlon, and it's quite easy. You need to aim perfect, you need to trigger perfect, and you need to breathe perfect, and then you hit. That's all what I can say. More you will see when you will be here.
Thank you to Matej. Now I'm heading my work up to my colleagues at the hotel center. Natasha?
Hi again. We have come to the questions that bring rewards. So the first question that I have is for the destination Bohinj, and I am looking for a person. So I am looking for a writer who was born 130 years ago, and it's a female writer, and she was writing mystery novels. And one of her most famous characters is a detective. He lives in London, but he's from Belgium. So does anyone know what is the name of the writer who wrote the stories about this famous detective? And while you're writing down the answers, I can tell you that this lady, she was spending her holidays in Bohinj. And she was writing there. She spent like 2 or 3 months at the time. And she actually didn't want to do any interviews. And her life here in Bohinj was very low key, so nobody knew that she was there. But one Slovenian journalist found out that she was there, and he really wanted to have an interview with her. And she was constantly saying no, 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 but he was so persistent. And in the end, she was like, okay, let's have a lunch and I will answer all your questions. And at the end of the interview, the Slovenian journalist asked her, well, you're writing here all the time. Can we expect Bohinj in one of your novels? And she was like, no. And he was shocked. I mean, come on, why not? And she replied, because Bohinj is just too beautiful for murder.
Very
So
good.
do we have
Yes,
the right answer?
Yes, we have Ludovica Villa was the right from Milan. She was the Agatha Christie, of course. Is it correct?
Yes, that's correct. Perfect. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
And the reward is the 2-night stay in beautiful digital detox, adults only boutique hotel. It was open a year ago, and you will have a great time there, and you will be able to read a book in a quiet area without any disturbance from the cell phones or anything else. So congratulations again.
Thank you. I will appreciate a lot.
Fantastic. Okay, Sheila, what do you do? What do you want to share with us?
Hey, yes, I'm coming from Bled, and Bled has a very beautiful lake, as you have already seen in the video before. And Bled has hosted already many competitions in rowing, also a world championship in rowing. But now I would like to ask you, because we are now here in this beautiful Pokljuka, which world championship will host Pokljuka next year in February? So I think it's not so hard question.
You're very kind, Sheila.
In this heavy COVID times, it's better to have some more easy ones.
So who is going to guess? Please write in the chat or shout loud. So the first one who will have the right answer, Saito said biathlon.
Biathlon, yes, great, congratulations. This is correct answer.
Yes, Saito from Frankfurt, congratulations. Would you like to share some of your thoughts with us?
Yeah.
Can we hear you? No?
No.
He just wrote thanks, which is great as well.
Okay.
Maybe he cannot show himself. Oh, microphone is broken. Okay, no problem. Then we understand. We are going to send you the gift, but Spela, tell Saito what is the prize that he won.
Yeah, the price is 2 nights in lovely Bled in one of our hotels. So he can see our hotels. We have Grand Hotel Toplice, Hotel Rikli, Hotel Park, and he can choose in which one he would like to stay these 2 nights. So, congratulations.
Congratulations. We will send the gift, the voucher by email, of course. And now we go back to Natasha, right?
Hello from another Natasha. I come from Bled. As you know, Bled is located in Julian Alps. Julian Alps are rich of waters, forest, and so on. Slovenia also has coast, seaside, 46 kilometers of coast. And my question is, do you maybe know where can we find only Slovenian island?
This is also in Piran. No, Bled, yes. Denise Lopez, you're the lucky winner. You were listening to the video. You made it, Natasha, very easy for those who listened or were cautious. So Denise, would you like to share some of your thoughts with us? Except, yay!
Hi, thank you so much. It's been wonderful to see you guys, and you're doing great. I really appreciate that we can see a little bit of Slovenia, and we can travel virtually, but at least it's something. So thank you so much to all of you.
Fantastic. Thank you.
Congratulations, Denise. Čestitam. And when you come to our new designer hotel, I can teach you one Slovenian word, živjo. It means hello. So next time when we see each other, we will say živjo.
Yes. Fantastic, Natasha. And the price is?
Yeah, 2 overnights with half board for 2 persons in Bled Rose Hotel.
Wow. So you're going to send to Denise a beautiful voucher by email.
Yes.
And, hopefully that you will soon decide to come and experience Slovenia, either in winter time like it's now, or in spring or summer or autumn. Fantastic. Thank you. We are going back to the program. So we have given all the 3 prizes from great 3 partners: Sava Tourism, Bled Rose, and Bohinj Eco Hotel and Sunrose 7. All 3 lucky winners got a beautiful voucher. And we are now open for any Q&As because I'm sure that you have received a lot of interesting questions in the time. You're also, of course, welcome to write them in the chat box if you don't want to share them over the screen or via video. Audio, sorry. So please, whatever you feel more comfortable, either write or just ask in the microphone. Philip, I'm sorry that you missed the right answer for Piran.
I know, next time.
But when you come to Piran, you will see there is no island.
Well, I know I got confused, considering that I've been to Bled in October, you see.
Yes, no problem. No problem. Daniel, do you have a question for our
I have a question for the I am travel agency, and I made travel for sports and cultural events, and I need to know for the world. I suppose the World Championship in February in biathlon is forbidden for spectators.
Maya?
Yes.
Exactly. Unfortunately, this year we will not have spectators which are great coulisses, and also they are enjoying all the time, always at World Championships. But because of this situation, is that not possible? But we will organize also World Cups in the next Olympic period. So always spectators and tourists are welcome here. It's really strange season, but we can nothing to do against this.
Oh, okay, and you can organize for incentive or for to listen for somebody for the biathlon to come 2 or 3 days and to learn to do biathlon for some skiing person and the shooting person, and we can do that 2 or 3 days in your place for that.
Yes, outside the competition, we can organize this type of incentives.
Okay.
And in time of the competition, we have a lot of VIP packages.
Okay. And can you? I go with customer to make snowmobile in Finland, in Russia, in Canada. Do you organize also? Is it possible to make snowmobile in your country, in your site, in your?
Unfortunately, we are here in Triglav National Park, and that is not possible because we are saving our nature for next generations.
Okay, it's forbidden to make snowmobile in France. In France, it's forbidden. That's why we go to Finland and Scandinavian and Canada. Okay, I understand. For you, it's impossible to do that. Okay.
You know, Pokljuka is in heart of the Triglav National Park, and it's not allowed here.
Okay, good.
But maybe Daniel, with horse sledges, it's even more attractive.
Yeah, can be maybe.
This is possible because then you are preserving the nature.
Okay, good. It's good.
Do we have any other questions? We had a question from Denise. What is the main industry for maize in Slovenia? Is it pharma, automotive, or any others? I wrote that we don't have the main industry for maize, as we are rather a boutique destination. So we have events from different industries according to the interests of the client. But I wouldn't say that one industry prevails on the others. We had in Slovenia several car launches of different car models, from Mercedes to Renault. Even Natasha hosted one Renault car launch, right? Not that long time ago. Maybe you want to share that story with us because it's special.
Yeah, hi. Yeah, we were really lucky that we
Something is wrong, Natasha.
Presented the new Alaska. Me now? Okay, so it was a 6-week event happening in September. Definitely, Bohinj is really good for any kind of car launches or test drives. Let's talk about test drives a little bit more because we have so diverse roads. So tarmac, gravel, mountain roads, and so on. And of course, very safe roads. And for that event, we also made kako je splav? Wooden thing that floats on the water. I don't know how to say it in English. And there was the presentation of the new Alaskan car. So we were really proud of that. And yeah, and before that, we also did the new X1 car, also the launch of the new X1 motorcycle.
Yep.
Motor in the car, sorry, not the motorcycle.
Thank you, Natasha. Yes, as you all know that car launches is probably one of the most demanding events in our industry. But of course, not everybody has car launches. But as I said, if we are capable of having those demanding clients, we can also match the needs and requirements of other events. And as said, because of as we already presented, Slovenia, despite the size of the land, it's really compact. You within an hour drive, you change 3 climate regions, so it's very interesting, not just for the car launches, as you said, but also for any other incentives, because you can combine different climates, and with different climates, the gastronomy changes, the architecture changes, the mentality of people changes. So you have really rich experience. You don't need to travel long. Maybe Denise also said, asked, because she saw some events happening in Slovenia this summer, and was wondering if it has been a lot of MICE travelers this year in Slovenia. Of course, Slovenia has been hit by COVID like all the rest of Europe and the world. Of course, in the summer, there was almost, the numbers were really low, but as we all know, July, August, it's a vacation holiday season, so meetings, incentive events don't happen at that time. So from that point of view, we didn't have that many, and in spring it was lockdown, and in autumn again. But Slovenia hosts meetings and incentives and events all over the year, except of course the summertime where everybody goes on holidays. So as you can see, we can do great outdoor activities. And as I said in the beginning, we're an outdoor country. So if you decide to come to Slovenia, you want to experience also outdoor. We have great hotels. You have seen some of them, but the idea is to show you our nature, top of course with the gastronomy in all these destinations, because we believe gastronomy is a very important part. In the webinar 2 days ago, I just shared that as of this year, we have Michelin Guide who presented, included Slovenia in its list, and it awarded 52 restaurants with one of the Michelin Guide awards. Not all of them received the stars. So I think 6 of them, 5 1 and 1 2 stars, but others were recommended. And I think this is a great proof, and Guemelio as well, even more. So Slovenia is a fantastic destination if you love great food based on sustainable ingredients, and of course authenticity that we are all striving for, because I believe if you travel so far away, you want to have an authentic experience provided by professionals who are doing it with passion. And I think Slovenia is the country of that. And I'm in this business for more than 20 years, and I still, when I see the video and I talk to my colleagues and clients, I still enjoy like I'm here for the first time. So I hope you get infected, and it's not with COVID, of course, but with the love to Slovenia. Who would like to share some further thoughts or ask a question for our colleagues from Mountain Pokljuka Plateau? Happy to answer. I'm also following chat. Who has not commented or asked something, please give us some of your thoughts, so that we saw that whether you liked the presentation, did it come over as we thought. And as I said in the beginning, we are recording, and we are going to send you as a follow-up also this access, so that you can follow up and also present the video. Will be the 50 minutes video will be that has been recorded, is also accessible via YouTube without any restrictions, so you can show it to your clients or look at yourself later again.
Very good.
Tomas, just because you could not communicate, would you like to ask or share some of your thoughts via chat, or Fridolin, please? Happy to get the feedback. Or Ludovica as well, please. You're happy to share some of your thoughts, because slowly we are going to finish today's meeting, and we want to answer all the questions that came. If there has not been any further questions, which is fine, we all have emails. We will do a proper follow-up, so that you have all the information, you have contacts from us, and please connect with us anytime you think that Slovenia is of interest, and please stay in contact. And now I'm handing over as a farewell to my colleagues Natasha, Spela, and Maya from Pokljuka. So we are. Yes. See you in Slovenia. Goodbye. And thank you for everything, for your interest. And see you soon. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Merci.
Goodbye. See you.